In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and change the default homepage settings on HubSpot. Let's dive right in and ensure your HubSpot experience is perfectly set up to meet your needs. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage, where you typically explore its software and tools. If you haven't visited it before, it's a great resource for managing business tasks efficiently. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click on the Login button, which you'll usually find in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you have your username and password ready for a smooth login process. After successfully logging in, you'll be automatically directed to your HubSpot home, which is the main dashboard where you can see an overview of all your activities and updates. From here you have a wealth of information at your fingertips, but today we're focusing on customizing the way you start your HubSpot journey. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, look towards the upper right of your screen. There you'll see a cogwheel icon labeled Settings. Clicking on this icon will lead you to the Settings menu, which holds all the customizable options for your account. Inside this menu, you can tweak various settings to tailor the HubSpot interface and functionalities to suit your specific preferences and work style. Move on to the next step by selecting Pick a default homepage from the menu options. This might be a bit buried in the settings, but once found, it gives you the flexibility to decide which page you'd like to see first every time you log into HubSpot. You might prefer the dashboard that shows your sales stats, or perhaps the marketing overview is more pertinent to your role. Whatever the case, this step puts you in control, enabling a more efficient and personalized experience. As you select your preferred page, take a moment to consider your daily habits and duties within HubSpot. Choosing the most relevant homepage can save time and streamline your work process. It's these small adjustments that make a big difference in how effectively you can use HubSpot day to day. This straightforward process not only enhances usability, but also contributes to a more organized start to your work within HubSpot. With your new settings in place, every time you log in, you'll be greeted with the information most critical to you, making your experience that much more productive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your HubSpot tools. Until next time, keep optimizing and making those settings work for you.